Hello everyone, I am Preeti from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Cyber Security. Today I want to discuss about DDCO. DDCO, I want to discuss about addressing modes. Addressing modes means addressing modes are an aspect of the instruction set architecture is most central processing unit design. The various addressing modes that are defined in a given instruction set architecture define how to machine language instruction in that architecture, identify the operand to each instruction. Introduction to addressing modes are addressing modes define how microprocessor access data in memory. Different addressing modes offer flexibility and efficiency in programming. Understanding and addressing modes is crucial for optimizing code performance. Immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode is not really an addressing mode into memory. Rather, it is an instruction format that directly includes the data to be acted as an part of the instruction. This form of an operand access simplifies the instruction execution cycle since no addition fetch are required. In immediate addressing mode, the operand is constant value. It is used for loading constants into registers. Direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode is the mode of the address part of the instruction is equal to the effective address. The operand would reside in memory and the address here is given directly by instructions. Address field. The address field would specify the actual branch address in branch type instruction. Direct addressing mode specifies the memory address of the operand. It is the simple but limits flexibility. Indirect addressing mode. Indirect addressing mode, the addresses field in the instruction contains the memory location or register where the effective address of the operand is present. It requires two memory access. It is further classified into two categories, register indirect and memory indirect. Indirect addressing mode used for register to store the memory address. It provides more flexibility and than the direct addressing mode. Register addressing mode. Register mode is a fast and efficient addressing mode because the data is accessed directly from the register without needing to fetch it from memory. On the other hand, in register indirect mode, the operand of the instruction contains the memory addresses of a register instead of the register name itself. Register addressing mode uses register to hold operands. It offers fast access to data. Register indirect addressing mode are in the world of computer science. The register indirect addressing mode is a method where the instruction defines a CPU register that contains the addresses of an operand in memory. To put it simple terms, the selected register holds the operand address rather than the operand itself. Register indirect addressing mode uses a register to store the memory addresses. It combines the benefits of register and indirect addressing modes. Displacement addressing mode or displacement addressing mode involves adding an offset to base address. It commonly used in array processing. Indexed addressing mode or indexed addressing mode adds an offset to a base register. It is useful for accessing elements in data structures. Stack addressing mode. Stack addressing mode is this mode operands is that the top of the stack. For example, ADD. This instruction will pop two items from the stack, add them, and will then push the result to the top of the stack. Stack addressing mode involves pushing and popping data onto a stack. It is commonly used for subroutine calls and managing data. Base register addressing mode or base register addressing mode uses a base register to access memory. It simplifies addressing calculation. Base index with displacement or base relative plus index addressing or the effective memory addressing is the sum of base register, index register and a displacement. Scaled index addressing mode or scaled index addressing mode involves multiplying an index register by scalar factor. It is efficient for accessing elements in an array. Memory indirect addressing mode or memory indirect addressing mode uses a memory location to store the address of the operand. It provides flexibility in addressing. Relative addressing mode. A relative addressing mode uses the current program counter value to calculate the address. It is useful for branching instructions. Relative addressing mode is the technique of addressing instruction and data areas by destination their location in the relation to the location counter or to the some symbolic location. Bit addressing mode. Bit addressing mode is the addressing mode also determines where the storage operands can reside. Bit addressing mode allows access to individual bits in a byte or word. It is used for bit manipulation operations. Addressing mode summary are addressing modes provides different ways to access data in memory. Each addressing mode has its advantages and user cases. Choosing the right addressing mode is essential for efficient programming. Best practices for addressing modes are understand the requirements of your program to choose the appropriate addressing mode. Consider the trade-offs between complexity and efficiency when selecting an addressing mode. Test and optimize your code to ensure optimal performance. Addressing modes in modern processors offer a variety of advanced addressing modes. Single instruction, multi-data, and vector processing instructions utilize complex addressing modes. Understanding modern addressing modes can lead to significant performance improvements. Conclusion about addressing modes are addressing modes plays a crucial role in memory access and data manipulation in microprocessors. By mastering addressing modes, programmers can write efficient and optimized code. Continuous learning and experimentation with addressing modes can enhance programming skills and performance. Thank you so much for watching my video.